Hello, I'm Professor Charles Moore, Coordinator of Industrial Maintenance Technology here at Big Sandy. Our Industrial Maintenance Technology program provides extensive hands-on training of the principles and accepted practices of the maintenance trade. Primarily, students are trained to hold positions in factories where our daily items that we use in our homes and our businesses are made. They can also work in hospitals and large buildings like hotels where multi-skilled, high-craft maintenance personnel are needed. Our program includes hydraulics and pneumatics, mechanical power transmission, industrial electricity, motor controls, machine tool, metal fabrication and welding, and blueprint reading. They also learn the aspects of safety in the trade and how to use all the measuring devices. These students can also get extra classes as technical electives in areas such as HVAC, National Electrical Code, industrial safety. They can get an AAS degree in 2 years. They can also get diploma and 4 certificates for the trade. They become what we would call a supercraft, super technician for industrial machines, basically just working on industrial machines, providing ways to maintain them, make them run more efficient, and repair them when they break down. Whatever the aspect is, we have these aha moments, and we're a jack of all trades. And for more information, visit us on the web, or you can call me at 606-218-1244.